Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Box Sensei.
Okay. Could you tell me first all the stuff you got?
I have two Bonce SA4s on a Crossfire 8K at half ohm. I got a Scar 1000 4 channel for my highs, and then all DS18 doors. Yeah.
Okay.
I only got a 240 alternator, Brand X, and
Brand
a
X,
CES 80 amp hour lithium. But I need to upgrade that because I'm still dropping.
Yeah.
Voltage bad. So.
Have you clamped it or metered or anything yet?
No. Or I've metered, like dB meter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I hit over 50. So.
Nice. Happy with it then?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll play
All right.
something.
Sure. pressure out of that port.
Yeah,
wow.
It might be better if I put some wood on the side and kind of make it like a trunk wall or...
Oh, so you kind of have the port come out? Wow.
Yeah.
That sounded good, man. I appreciate that.
Yeah.
Wow.
I showed you the amp and everything.
Do you know what you're peaking at?
37 hertz.
37? Okay, so you play down to what, 26, 27 hertz?
Somewhere around there,
Right
yeah.
Okay. All right, yeah, I'd like to see everything, man. Thanks for the demo.
Yeah, man.
Woo. Big amp. Thanks, man. Sweet.
That's the type of shit that shouldn't shock you. Soon as it comes. type of shit that shouldn't shock you. So magical.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.